Hello everyone, my name is Jeff and I'm from theboxman.com where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a really quick walkthrough of the DreamLink slash Formuler handheld attached keyboard that works with all Android devices. So I'm going to do my best. Let's take a look together. Okay, guys, I am back. Thank you so much for being on our many platforms. This is going to be on YouTube, on Rumble, and we have Rumble. We have a Rumble account. We have an Odyssey account, but this will also be on YouTube. So, because I want to put this on YouTube, I'm going to go through again a quick walkthrough of the handheld DreamLink slash Formular handheld attached keyboards. The keyboard that has a dongle to it. And I'll put the description in the video, but I want to go through because a couple of my new clients a couple of my clients bought this, and I just want to go through just this, not the setup, but some of the buttons. Okay, so I'm going to do the very best that I can, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so this DreamLink remote, or I shouldn't say remote, but handheld keyboard is really, really good. I won't be able to open up my TV Online 3 because I am on YouTube, but I will do my best to show the back function, to show the STB function, to do all of that so I can point out some of the buttons. Now, when I point out something that it does, I will try to put an arrow on the buttons that you can press to do that. But I also, in the description of the video, I will provide a link or something like that so you can take a look at the instructions yourself. All right, so we do have these for sale. Obviously, you'll get this free if you buy the bundle package from us, which I will go through at the end of the video. So let's take a picture or look at the picture. This is going to be held in your hand. It's probably showing a white background. Of course, I'm going to go over the up, down, left, right buttons on the left hand side. And so if I push on let me turn it on. That's important. Give me a second. There it is right there. Okay, if I push to the right, as you can see on the screen, if I push this right arrow, it'll go right. If I push the down arrow, it will go down. If I push the up arrow, it will go up. So let's say I wanted to open up the Zeus browser. No, let's say I want to open up the Play Games. So if I did this right here and I just pressed OK, it would open up any app that's on my device. So you can see the Google Play Games is there. If I wanted to go back, I would just hit the back button. I'll show you right there on the right hand side. That's the back button. It'll take you back to where you were. All right. Now you'll also notice on the remote that there is a right mouse right here, and I'll show it, and a left mouse right there. So this is good because if on the left mouse, let's say I want to choose something, I believe if I wanted to open up let's say YouTube TV, I would hit the left mouse. And if I hit the left mouse, it'll bring up the cursor or the thumb or the mouse there. All right, so let's say if I highlight YouTube TV, right, and I want to go back to the other page, let's see if I can hit this YouTube TV here. It'll open up to YouTube TV, just for an example. I do have an account, which I'm going to do a video on YouTube TV. And if you hit the right mouse, you can go right back to the last page you were on. So again, you have a left mouse and a right mouse. All right. The next thing I want to show you is the volume up, volume down information. So here's the volume up. I'll hit that, show you where that is. Of course, here's the volume down right here. All right. All right, so the buttons next to it, the volume up, are the channel up and channel down, but I'm not on my TV Online. I'm not on anything because YouTube will give me a strike or something like that. But those are the channel up and channel downs. Okay, so this thing is very interactive. Now, if you run your finger over the keypad, you'll see that there is a mouse right there. And I love this mouse. It's really, really good. And I like the way it feels really good there. Now, What else do I want to point out? Oh, okay. So let's say you wanted to. Oh, okay. The another thing. Let's say you want to. You have. Let me go through this. You have three ways, I believe, two or three ways to press OK on the remote. One is the OK button right here on the left hand side. You can press OK. Another way you can press OK is the enter button. So let's say I want to go back to play games, and if I hit the enter button on the right side, it's like OK. So you have a couple of buttons that simultaneously work the same way, and I think that's really cool. All right. So the really one of the really cool features of this is that it's backlit. All right. So to turn on the backlight, there are two buttons that you need to press simultaneously. One on the left side, one on the right. And when you press those together, it becomes backlit. So that way, if it's at night, you'll be able to see it at night, and it will show really well being backlit. And guys, that's pretty much it. The rest of it you can find by just playing around. Like if you wanted to turn off the box, you could press the STB button right there, the power button. If you wanted to, if you were on watching live TV and you had some type of video on demand, there's a VOD button that will take you there if you have that content on your device, which is your right to do that. And it'll take you right there. So this is a great device, and we're selling these for about 30 bucks a piece. And if you're interested in buying one by itself, we have plenty, and I'll put a link in the description or instructions on how to get one, because it not only works with Formuler, but it works with any Android device because it has the dongle that goes in the USB. Or you can get it for free if you choose to buy our 8-ball bundle package or any of our bundle packages. What that means is you would buy a box, you would buy 12 with the box that comes with the internet streaming service. It also comes with 12 months of live tech support, live customer support, and access to our support team, a library of videos. And so if you do that, instructional videos, we will include this device absolutely free in the bundle package. And that package right now, the complete bundle package, you're looking at $235. Okay. Now, if you keep the unit because of the internet streaming service that you get referred to you, there's a 12-month thing on our support. And so at the end of a year, it's only $150 a year to have the same service you received. And the box is yours and everything that comes with it. So we believe that that is a really great deal for a lot of good reasons. And that reason is there's not a lot of one and done boxes like SuperStream and all the rest of them. When you have a Formuler unit, you need to have a way to get your live TV and your free entertainment, like some applications that you can get. And we have a really great relationship with Formuler and other resellers that when you purchase this, that stuff can be activated through some instructions. And once again, your relationship with us has nothing to do with the content. It has everything to do with the hardware, the warranty, the tech support, and customer support. That's what it's all about. And our customers that got these units from us love it. So if you want to spend $235, try it out for 30 days and get the bundle package, you could click the link in the description, get that. And if you like it in 30 days, you can keep it. And if you don't, you can return the box and get a full refund. All right. But I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to sign off now. I am so grateful that I had a little time to be with you. Have a great weekend. Okay. Take care of each other, and we'll see you in our checkout page.